Hi friends, today I'm going to be making vegan strawberry jelly cake. I have received questions about making a vegan strawberry jelly. It's always tricky to make a vegan version. You cannot just replace it with the same ratio. Today I'm using a carrageenan powder, as known as vegan gelatin. It's a popular product in Japan. It creates a bouncy but soft texture, and the jelly is clear and translucent. It's so beautiful. Agar-agar powder, as known as kanten, creates a cloudy jelly with a flaky texture. Mix the carrageenan powder and sugar in a small bowl. The powder is so fine, and if you add water directly, it's not easy to dissolve in water, so sugar makes it possible to dissolve well. And I'm using a lemon peel to give it a nice, refreshing aroma. Transfer to a pot and cook on medium heat, constantly stir. Just before boiling, stop cooking. Soak the pot in an ice bath to cool down a little bit for about a minute or so. The liquid will set at a little higher than the room temperature, so do not chill. Place your cake mold in the ice bath. The inside of the cake mold is wet. When the liquid is still warm, pour over the bottom. Place the strawberries stem side up and pour the liquid over the strawberries. In this way, your strawberry will not float to the top. Ladle over more liquid and place the second layer of the strawberries. And pour over the liquid and chill until set. Chill in the ice bath until no longer hot, and then chill in the fridge for a couple of hours. And here is how to take out from the mold. Use your clean finger to release from the mold. Then soak in hot water for a few seconds. Put the serving dish onto the cake mold and flip it over. And shake off the mold, and there you have it. Your vegan strawberry jelly is done. It's so beautiful and it's like a water cake. It may not be firm enough to cut through, but it still keeps its shape on the dish. The jelly tastes so refreshing, and you can enjoy the fresh strawberries. Low in calories but high in satisfaction and nutrition. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And go to my website for more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!